Oddyssey is a new-age career networking platform made particularly to connect students with young industry professionals for the right career guidance and help students in India move beyond engineering, medicine, and law. The login interface allows 3 options to log in. For students, the AI asks a series of questions that enables it to create a personalized experience for them. After analyzing the user, it suggests 5 mentors to begin with. This is the home screen for students. It provides quick access to important platform sections on the sides and allows seamless scrolling in the middle. Through the home screen, students can access Career Connect, a major sub-brand of Oddyssey that aims to empower students by providing them with the right resources, can be accessed via all 3 users. The UI has many important features tailored specifically for the student as per their preferences. Oddyssey enables skill assessment for students. This is shown on a dedicated skills and assessment page. It features all important resources and information needed to find the right career move. The home UI for mentors is similar to that of students with a few exceptions of not having Explore Mentors section as they are more focused on fostering interaction between them and their students. Career Connect for mentors allows them to create a personalized profile to attract students and share relevant information with them. Oddyssey allows schools and organizations to be a part of the platform and facilitate the right career development for their students. Oddyssey aims to empower every student in India irrespective of their socioeconomic and linguistic limitations. It can be accessed in any language that the student speaks, helping you find the choice of your career on the move. Oddyssey can be accessed on mobile devices as well.